Hey guys, what's up? It's Sammy. Welcome back to my channel. So long time no see. You guys are coming to me after I just chopped my hair off. Should have filmed it, didn't, because I'm a horrible YouTuber, but that's fine. It was just way too long. I probably cut about 3 inches off and then I braided it because it's been a hot minute since I've talked to you guys at all. And I'm sorry. A lot of stuff has been going on. A lot of things have changed recently in my life, but for the better, for good things. Good things come to people who wait, I guess. And yeah, it was my time finally, I guess. So, but you know, with the good comes the bad, and with the bad comes the ugly. So, like the ends of my hair. I recently made an order on Colourpop, and I went to the store and got a few things I was out of. So, yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into this. And I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face, and you guys can tell me, what in the world have you been up to? Have you guys been good? You've been hanging out, living your best lives? Maybe not. But that was the Garnier Moisture Rescue. This is my favorite. It's the gel one. That's the dry skin one. I'm almost out again. I've gone through so many. And then this is the e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream. I've been really liking it. Is it as like amazing as my, what's the other one I use? The Fresh, I think it's Fresh. The Age Defy Black Tea one. No, because this one's $10 and that one's $70, but does it do a really good job? I think so. I've already kind of noticed a difference with it. My under eye feels more hydrated and it feels better. So I picked up the Main Squeeze palette. There's cat hair on it, that's what it is. This is the palette, and there's my brushes, but this is the palette, and it's so pretty. Max! It's so pretty. I really love it. I love red eyeshadows. I have this really pretty shadow, the Treat birthday shadow too, that came free. I kind of want to give it a minute to like really sparkle and really shine, so you might do that, right? I'm gonna use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 02. It's really light to prime my eyeballs. I'm just gonna use the mirror in this palette because these mirrors are really good. Yes. That's it. That's the look. Eyes are primed and I've been talking, so they've creased, so I'm just gonna get some translucent powder and set it. This is the Milk Makeup Blur and Set Powder. I really like this powder, guys, and you guys know I'm dry. The only thing I don't like is, okay, I like the packaging, but I don't like the packaging because this little lid, while super convenient for travel and like keeping mess down, also pops off a little bit, and so I just want the best of both worlds, and I'm not getting it. Is that too much to ask for? I don't think so. I really don't think so. I'm gonna go in with the color Froze right there, and we're just gonna start blending that in the crease as a transition color. I don't really know what the plan is right now. Yeah. So I'm just taking that color Froze and blending it in my crease very lightly. I'm using a Morphe M518 because I have mostly Morphe brushes because I followed Jaclyn Hill for a bajillion years, and does that really need any more explanation than that? Okay. Next shade. We're gonna take this little Morphe M433 and I'm gonna take the color Big Gulp. Right there, that like peachy color, and I'm gonna pick it up. Ooh, she's orange and she's pigmented. Wasn't expecting. I haven't used this shade yet. So the shades that I have used are Juicy Fruit, Home Slice, Maraschino, Red Bottoms, Like It's Hot, and Froze. So I haven't used Big Gulp, Baywatch, or Seed Money yet. So I'm taking this little brush right here. It is a flat shadow synthetic brush, and I'm gonna dip into Seed Money. I'm gonna tap a little bit of the X off, and ooh, I like this color. And then I'm just gonna start kind of creating a light outer V. I really like this color. Ooh, I'm just gonna start creating an outer V shape. Come in a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna start feathering that into the crease very lightly, like just a little bit. Nothing too crazy, we're not going nutso, but I really like this little brush for this, and just kind of shaping what I want to do, because I'm gonna take some of red bottoms too and re-darken this outer V area, but I really like this shade. All right, and I'm gonna take that same brush and go into the color red bottoms down here. This is Seed Money, by the way, I'm gonna show it to you. And then this is red bottoms, and I'm just gonna take some of that, tap it off because this one's pigmented, and just slowly begin to darken the outer V. And we're not going to take this shade all the way into the inner corner, we're just keeping it strictly on the outer corner, since it is, we're just darkening the outer corner, kind of making a smoky sexy cat eye, if you will. All of those shadows, and now I'm just going to go in with the shade Treat from their birthday collection. Can we take a second? Focus. Focus. Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna apply that with my finger. These birthday shadows are so bomb. Oh my god. And the glitter that's in them is literally just, I'm just putting that on the inner third and like the actual like ball of my lid, and kind of tapping it up in the inner corner. That's what we got so far, and I'm just taking my other brush that had the Froze on it, the M518, and just blending over the edges again. Turned out, and now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the under eyes. Oh my god. We're not gonna do anything crazy here. I'm just gonna take that same brush that we've been working with this whole time, this one, in the color Seed Money, and I'm just gonna go right under the under eye. It's really thin on the edge part, so it's really good to get up under there. I'm just gonna kind of continue along that bottom left one. And then I'm gonna just take this little definer brush. This is a Morphe M432 in the color Red Bottoms, and I'm just gonna push it right up against the outer corner. Take a little bit of that Red Bottoms color and just push it along the top lash line, because I don't feel like doing liner today, but. And then I'm gonna take the color, the Chrome Gel liner in Brouhaha from Colourpop, and I'm just gonna this is a little Soft Cosmetics brush, and I'm gonna take the color Baywatch, and I'm gonna pop it in the inner corner, because ooh, that's kind of cool. And that's the eyes basically done, except for mascara, because Lord knows we're not putting on lashes today. I'm not putting on lashes to sit there and watch Sabrina. And then I'm just gonna take the Kush mascara from Milk, scrape off some of the product because it gets so thick. She's thick. So that's the eye makeup except for bottoms, and then I'm probably gonna do brows. Just realized I haven't done brows. I've done my entire freaking face and no brows. And this is the finished look, you guys. How do we feel? I really like it. And this is using the Colourpop birthday collection. Personally, I think Colourpop can do no wrong. I really love everything that they come out with. I think the only thing that I've had like slight trouble with in the past has been the foundation. But then again, I'm dry and their foundation's a little more matte, so I just mix it with like L'Oreal Pro Glow or something like that to give it a little more dew, and it comes out really beautifully. So honestly, Colourpop and I love Colourpop so much. But yeah, that is it for me today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm trying to upload when I can, when my depression isn't killing me. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully more content will be coming your way very soon. But yeah, peace guys.